Hello everyone, my name is Julina Cañamo and today I will going to discuss my study about the financial literacy and financial management behavior among teachers in Sagayin National High School. So, in America, according to Subaru of America 2021, 16% of teachers spent 1,000 or more on school supply each year. So, not having enough resources and not having able to manage their money as well as their behavior causes teachers to accumulate debt. Furthermore, Inikirolo et al. 2021 showed a study report from the National Education Association which showed outstanding balances of 58,700 on average for teachers. So in Indonesia naman, showing only 14.9% of teachers not having good financial literacy. According to Norville Murthy et al. 2019. In India, only 29.5% of teachers are financially literate. According to Kadmanaban and Warish 2020. Additionally, studies have examined teachers' investment behavior. So, in Indonesia, there are only 14%, 14.9% of teachers having good financial literacy. And also in India, there are only 29.5% of teachers are financial literate. Rising teachers' debt in the Philippines. According to Rishu Cruz 2019, meager salary increased 11.8% over 4 years, necessitate financial literacy programs for public school teachers. The problem among teachers is becoming serious in the Philippines, according to Rishu Cruz 2019. As a result, many loan companies offer a different loan packages to attract teachers. The result of the service serve as a guide to come up with financial literacy modules will be used in insurance companies or the CSR initiative targeting public school teachers. In locality, particularly in Davao City, increased job satisfaction and engagement, furthermore impacting their work performance. Teachers' job performance is influenced by various factors, including personal and financial security, as well as financial literacy and well-being, according to Mahinay 2020. Stem from financial security and low financial literacy, contributing to burnout and reduced effectiveness, with Sharon in Watt 2018 and Erno 2022. Highlighted the lack of financial literacy of teachers, particularly concerning retirement planning and financial decision making, which can lower their effectiveness and output. So in Davao City, the teachers there are impacting their work of performance, decreased job satisfaction and engagement, further impacting their work performance. So the research objectives of the study is that to describe the level of financial literacy in terms of financial knowledge, financial behavior, and financial attitude. Second one is to describe the level of financial management behavior in terms of first is cash flow management, consumption management, credit management, and saving and investing management. Number 3 is to determine the significant relationship between financial literacy and financial management behavior. And the last one is to determine which domain significantly affects financial literacy and financial management behavior. A null hypothesis of this study is that there is no significant relationship between financial literacy and financial management behavior among teachers in Sagayin National High School. Also, there is no domain in the financial literacy that significantly affect to the financial management behavior of teachers at Sagayin National High School. So, in the theoretical framework, according to Bandura and Ross, 1961, social learning theory posited that social factors influence financial attitudes and behavior. This study examines teachers' financial literacy, encompassing knowledge, behavior, and their attitudes. So the conceptual framework in Figure 1 shows the conceptual framework of the study. The independent variables is financial literacy with the following indicators: the financial knowledge, behavior, and financial attitudes. Financial knowledge is a key to understand the finances and ideas needed that are useful for society. Financial behavior is related to personal responsibility and ne- and needed is useful for society. And the financial attitudes plays an important in determining the um, or failure of one's financial behavior. So the next one is the dependent variable, which is the financial management behavior. There are four indicators of financial management behavior. The first one is the cash flow management, consumption management, credit management, and last one is the saving management. So the research design is part of the chapter 2 of the research. This chapter presents the research design, the research subject, and the research instrument, the data gathering procedure, and the treatment of data utilizing different statistical tools. So the research design is the study will make use of the quantitative non-experimental design, utilizing descriptive correctional technique to be able to give description to the possible existing relationship between two identified variables as well as determining the direction and magnitude of such relationship if there is. So the descriptive correlational study examines the relationship between two variables using existing data. This method is appropriate for analyzing pre-existing relationship according to Graviter and Wallnow 2004. Also the research local. Figure 2 presents the area of the investigation. This research will be conducted in Sagain National High School, Municipality of Asuncion in the province of Davao del Norte. Its population determined by the 2020 census. This barangay have 17 CTU and 1 high school. This study was conducted 2024 to 2025. In the population in sample, this research investigates the financial management behaviors of 81 teachers at Sagay National High School to identify areas for improvement. So the statistical tool, this study uses means. First is means to measure financial literacy and management behavior. The second one is the person or to assess the relationship between them. And the last one is the regression analysis is to identify which literacy domains influence management behavior. So we are here in the results of our study of survey. The table 1, table 2, table 3, and the last one is a table 4. So it shows that table 1, the high score is for financial knowledge which is for the mean 4.11. The description level is the high. followed by the financial behavior has a mean 3.52. Also, description level is high. So the financial attitude, the mean is 3.73. The description level is the high. The overall this finding could mean the overall average for financial literacy is high, which has the grand mean 3.73. This finding could mean that financial knowledge, financial attitude, and financial behavior help them to have an effective decision in terms of spending and knowing the interest rates charged by the banks as well as borrowing rates charged by financial institution. So the second one is the table 2. The financial management behavior levels of teachers at Sagay National High School show that credit management has the highest mean score, 4.31, followed by cash flow management, 4.29, and the um, investment management has a 3.98. The overall average in the financial management behavior is 4.8 with a description level of high. So it means that um, financial management behavior is important to everyone. So the last one is the table 3. Shown in the table 3 are the result of the test of significance relationship between levels of financial literacy and financial management behavior. As reflected in the table, the overall R value of financial literacy is 0.18 with a P value of 0.13. This means that there is no significant relationship between financial literacy and the financial management behavior. The summary of findings. First is the level of financial literacy among teachers at Sagay National High School have an overall mean of 3.73 with a descriptive equivalent of high. The second one is the level of financial management behavior among teachers at Sagay National High School have an overall mean of 4.18 with a descriptive equivalent of high. The third one is there is no significant relationship between the two variables, which are the financial literacy and the financial management behavior. The last one is in statistical terms, there is no significant evidence to reject the idea that financial literacy of teachers is impacted by financial management behavior, as a calculated probability value of 0.13 is higher than the level of significance of 0.5. So in the conclusion, the level of financial literacy is much useful. Second one is the level of financial management behavior is much useful. The third one is there is no significant relationship between the two variables. The last one is financial literacy is no significant in predicting financial management behavior. So there are four recommendation. The first one is teachers should understand the difference between their needs and wants. Also, teachers should create a budget that reflects their income and expenses. Second one is the government can partner teachers with financial institutions to help teachers develop their personal budgets, saving, and also their investment strategies. The third one is teachers should use their own financial literacy as a good model, not just for their students, but also to all the people around them. The last one of my recommendation is government should organize seminar to all the teachers to give them practical advice on how teachers manage their financial. So thank you for listening to my discussion. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.